Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. Long story short, I created this channel to show you can cook in small spaces and have a great time doing it. All you need is laughter, happiness, and your heart and soul. I want to inspire you to make great memories in your tiny kitchen. And please join me to like, subscribe, and share with all your family and friends to be part of my tiny cooking family. So today we're making crock-pot Italian beef subs. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found the recipe for crock-pot Italian beef subs from the cookie jar. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe. We're going to sear our roast first, so I have my cast iron heating up. While it's heating up, I'm going to move to the side. And I'm just going to spray the inside of my crock pot so it doesn't stick. It's a little chilly in here, so I'm going to wipe it. I'm going to wipe it down with a paper towel, just to make sure we get all sides. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in so we can sear our roast. It calls for a 3-pound roast, but I have a 2.5 pounds, so I'm going to do a sear. 3 minutes on each side. You want it to release naturally. You don't want to yank it. If you're yanking it, you're taking off a lot of the good. You're taking off part of your roast. So just wait. Patience is well rewarded. As you can see, it's easy to pick up. It's pulled away. We're going to flip it and do 3 minutes on the other side. Look at that golden color. This is a crusty one. Beautiful. It's been 2.5 minutes. It's easy to pull up, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful caramelization. We're just going to stick this right in our pot. I'm using a 4-quart, but you can use your 6-quart. You have to use bigger, go bigger. We need to deglaze this pan to get all that beautiful fond off. Those are yummy bits. You can use your beef broth, or you can use wine. I'm using my favorite kind of wine. I don't drink it. I cook with this all the time. It's blueberry, so good. Add a little bit more. Because this is Italian sub, this will go really good in it. I'm going to press handfuls of salt. And I'm going to pour this right on top. I'm going to move this over. And here you see my crock pot. We got all that beautiful fond off, and we're going to pour it right on top. We're going to add pepperoncinis. You're going to just need a jar of it. I took out all of the liquid that was inside of it. You're going to want to reserve a 1/2 cup of that. We're just going to pour that right on top. We're going to put an Italian seasoning. We're going to put an Italian dressing, just one small package. Throw that on top. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. This really is a very simple thing. Oops. Take my spoon, I'm going to just mix it up. So we can make sure the roast gets a lot of this good flavor. We're going to put our 1/2 cup reserve liquid from our pepperoncinis. And you need 2 cups of beef broth. I did a little extra just in case I need it later. So I only want 2 cups of this. That's 2 cups. And mix it again. And we're going to put this on for 8 hours. When you buy your pepperoncinis, you want to also buy them, they're already cut. It makes it a lot easier to do, just throw and go. So I put my lid on, and I just go to low. You cook this on low for 8 hours. You can cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours, depending on how big your roast is. I like low and slow, personally. It really develops the flavors. You've got time to do so much throughout the day, and don't even have to worry about it. Dinner will be ready when we're ready to eat. It's been 8 hours. It's time to check to see if our roast is done. It is perfectly done. We could take it out and shred it, but it shreds beautifully in here. So I'm just going to shred it in here, in my crock pot. Just beautifully coming apart. It wasn't too fatty, so I'm not even worried about taking on fat. 2 pairs, and just pull it apart. I'm going to put this aside. We need to make our hoagie rolls up. Put those in the oven. So I'm going to put a little bit of butter on my hoagie roll. Mine came split in half. Preferably, I prefer not, but it is what it is. On 1/2, I'm going to put pepper jack cheese right there. And the other half, I'm going to add provolone cheese. So it's a little bit spicy. I can have 1/2 spicy and 1/2 not. More Italian style. There. So when we pull it out, it'll be easier. I'm going to put this in the oven to broil. Time to dish up. So we're going to add our beautiful roast to it, to our sandwich. Leave this aside so you can see. Unplug it. I don't want mine to be all juicy, so I'm going to strain some of my meat. In a strainer, just push it down. We get all that out. Then I'm going to layer my sandwich. If you like it really juicy, you can just use you don't have to strain it. But I'm going to put my au jus on the side. We're going to add some I'm going to add some jalapenos and some pepperoncinis. These are pickled jalapenos. Let's see if you can see this. There, hope you can see this better. Throw some pepperoncinis on top. Good layer of that. Put this on top. Keep dropping. I'm serving mine with a salad. I have an simple Italian salad I made. Back to the side, and we're going to grab out some beautiful au jus. So I'm going to grab that out and put it in my cup. Okay, I'm going to wipe it off. And now it's time to eat our Italian sub sandwich. It smells so good in here. And now for the best part. It is time to try our crock pot Italian roast beef sub when I have a side of au jus. Let's give it a taste. A little bit of au jus. Mmm. 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 Really, really good. Not too spicy. The flavors are really right there. It's perfect. Have one bite without the au jus. I'm going to bite the other end because that's the provolone side. Mmm. 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 So good. Have it dry, have it wet, pepper jack cheese, provolone cheese, any cheese you like. It is so good, so easy to make. I actually did this in the morning in my PJs when I started filming because I want to get this done before I got too late and have it ready for our dinner. It was perfect. I got it in, I got dressed, everything was done because today is my day that I have to do little things in the camper. This was perfect. It's a must-try, easy recipe. It's pretty much a dump. If you don't even have time to sear it, just put it all in a crock pot, put everything together, set it for 6 hours, and go to work. Go do your errands. You'll have a perfectly made dinner by the end of the day. So good. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. Please like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see make in my tiny RV. Leave a comment down below for if you made any of these great recipes. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!